Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 4 of the 1500 calories diet plan. Today our morning breakfast is going to be finger millet, that is ragi upma and egg. This is going to be around 344 calories. We are going to take one bowl of upma and one egg. Let us move on and see how to prepare finger millet upma or ragi upma. For this we need a cup of ragi flour, that is finger millet flour. Add the required amount of salt. Start sprinkling water little by little and give a nice mix. You are going to crumble the flour. Finally, it has to be like this. If you take some and press it, you will be able to shape it, and if you crumble it, it should also get crumbled. This is the right consistency. Now take a pan and pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram and half a teaspoon of split chickpeas. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add few curry leaves and around 10 chopped shallots or half an onion. Let the shallots turn translucent. To this let us add 2 dry chilies and give everything a nice saute. Once the onions are translucent, we can add the prepared ragi flour. We are going to saute this until it becomes non-sticky and fully cooked. You can see that all the moisture has gone. Let us close this and cook for a few more minutes. So here our ragi upma is ready. What we need is a bowl of ragi upma. And we are going to have one egg along with this. One bowl of finger millet upma has 5.1 grams of proteins, 8.7 grams of fats, 46.9 grams of carbohydrates and 8.2 grams of fiber. One boiled egg has 4.8 grams of protein, 0.4 grams of fats, 4 grams of carbohydrates, and it doesn't have any fiber. Moving on to our morning snacks, it is going to be boiled chickpeas and it is around 134 calories. We are going to take half a cup of boiled chickpeas, that is chana. This half a cup of boiled chana, that is chickpeas, has 6.4 grams of proteins, 2 grams of fats, 22.8 grams of carbohydrates and 10.6 grams of fiber. Today our lunch is going to be chapatis, beetroot fry and curd. This is going to be around 368 calories. Here I am not going to show you how to make these wheat rotis. This wheat roti is a regular chapati that we make at home, but you have to make it without oil, so if you want you can refer the day 1 video. Now let us move on and make our beetroot fry. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add 1 or 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute this for about a minute or 2. Now I am going to add 3 grated beetroot into this. Remove the skin of the beetroot and you have to grate it like this. If you don't want to grate it, you can chop them into pieces. Add the required amount of salt. Start sauteing this. You have to saute this for another 1 or 2 minutes. For this to get cooked quickly, we have to add little water. Close this and cook for a few minutes until the beetroots are completely cooked. So here our beetroot fry is ready. For the lunch we need 2 oilless wheat rotis. You can have up to a cup of beetroot. Along with this we are going to take around 3 tablespoons of curd. 2 2 oilless wheat rotis or chapatis has 6.1 grams of proteins, 0.9 grams of fats, 34.7 grams of carbohydrates and 5.3 grams of fiber. 1 cup of beetroot fry has 3.1 grams of proteins, 6.3 grams of fats, 15.1 grams of carbohydrates and 6 grams of fiber. 3 tablespoons of plain curd has 3.6 grams of proteins, 4 grams of fats, 3.5 grams of carbohydrates and it doesn't have any fiber. In the evening snack time, we are going to take muskmelon shake. It is around 115 calories. Now let us see how to prepare this muskmelon shake. For the recipe, I am going to take 1 muskmelon. You have to remove the skin and the seeds and you have to chop them into pieces. Transfer everything into a mixie jar and we are going to grind this without water. We are going to add milk into the juice. If you have skimmed milk, it is well and good. You don't need to take any cream out of it. If you are using regular milk, you have to take the cream out and then only you have to use. If you are using the regular milk, boil the milk, keep it in the refrigerator. A thick layer of cream will be formed. You have to remove it and then you can use it. Now I am going to fill 3/4 of the glass with the juice and 1/4 of the glass with the milk. If you can drink it like this, it is well and good. Otherwise, you can add half a teaspoon of jaggery powder for taste. Give a nice mix. And here is your melon shake. 1 glass of melon shake has 3 grams of proteins, 0.7 grams of fats, 28.9 grams of carbohydrates and 3.2 grams of fiber. Our dinner is going to be dosas and green gram curry. Here again for the dosas you have to refer the day 1 video and our dinner is going to be 362 calories. The dosas are plain regular dosas, you have to make 2 of them. Now let us move on and make our green gram curry. Your first step is going to be soaking the green gram. You have to soak this for overnight in water. So here I have soaked a cup of green gram in 2 cups of water and along with the water I have transferred everything into the pressure cooker. Now add the required amount of salt. We are going to pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Set this aside. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Next is chopped onions. You can add half of an onion, 1 green chilli and few curry leaves. To this add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and give everything a nice saute. You have to saute this until the onions turns translucent. Next let us add 1 big chopped tomato. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Close this and cook for a few minutes or until the oil oozes out. Now let us add the masalas, 2.5 teaspoons of sambar powder and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute this for about a minute or 2 and then add the cooked green gram. Along with the green gram, add around 2 cups of water. Bring this to a boil and let this boil in medium flame for about 10 minutes. Let us add few coriander leaves and give a finishing touch. So here is our green gram curry. For the dinner we need 2 dosas and half a cup of green gram curry. These two plain dosas has 7.1 grams of proteins, 11.8 grams of fats, 43.3 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of fiber. Half a cup of green gram curry has 6.3 grams of proteins, 2 grams of fats, 16.5 grams of carbohydrates and 5.3 grams of fiber. So our total calorie intake for the day is 1378 calories, which is less than 1500 calories. So we have achieved our today's target. Meet you on day 5. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.